So hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Geek official YouTube channel guys. It's a quick update on the price of Bitcoin. So guys, let's get into today's video. At the time of recording this video, Bitcoin is trading around 26.8k, almost 9k. And guys, when price was trading around exactly at this support level of 26.6k and even below, I just give a signal in my community section of the Discord and community section of my YouTube channel, as well as on my Discord guys. What exactly happened? It exactly perfectly played out, and we are definitely consolidating from 26.6k all the way up to 27k. Let's get into today's video. You guys can see on my levels on my chart, you guys can see that there is nothing has such playing out. You guys can see we saw a very strong sell-off pressure. If we look at the structure, there is nothing very, this was the support level we were trading above. You guys can exactly see this, that we formed a support from this exact trend line. We found a support right here. We found this trend line, we went to the upside, and then we just broke to this level. Once we broke to this level guys, we found a support, and then we again considered this level as such an important level. On a 4 hour time frame, we just hit this level right here. We then retested this level, same as this support guys, and then we broke to the downside. Simple as you like, nothing is much more different and much more difficult. So guys, don't like people. And first of all, let me tell you something. We were definitely calling a short swing trade from, even when the price was exactly at this level guys, we were calling this short setup, and it's exactly playing out right now. We don't consider anything else. We are perfectly making some profit with with our swing trade. What exactly happened guys, and then we consider to go to the downside from this this trend line guys, and then we definitely dumped, and then from now we are forming kind of a bear flag. And what exactly I think we can definitely consider to go to the downside, but now at the time of recording this video has its weekends guys, so we don't see any kind of a liquidity. More on these weekends we can just scalp out trades. What exactly has I said, let me tell you something, and let me give you some educational content right now. What exactly happened, we just call our trade right here, and then the TP was exactly at 26.9k, and this is a 300 range. We are definitely trading within from a few days, like from 2 days or 2 days exactly. So what exactly, as I said, you guys can see this is a strong hammer candle. We should have seen a strong buying pressure from here, but we didn't saw a kind of a buying pressure. We go to this resistance level of 26.9k. Then this is the manipulation guys, this is the manipulation I want to talk about. And you guys can exactly see that we just closed a candle guys, a 4-hour candle. Do you see this? A 4-hour candle closing with a body below this support level, below this supply level. Do you see this? Most of the people will enter a short position right here. So we are forming a body, we are closing a body right here, and then once you open a short position, you will definitely consider a short position from here to here, and then kind of stopping right there. So the stops will be definitely above the previous candle. So what exactly happened right now? We consider to go to the downside after this candle guys. There is a sell-off, and once you enter a bad sell-off and people entering into 4 more trades, the price just pushed to the upside. This is a kind of a manipulation, and then you don't trade these type of shitty manipulations. What exactly happened once? Let's look at it on a 15-hour time frame. I will explain it in a very better manner, and you guys have to be better on this, because these shitty market makers will definitely make you cry guys. What exactly happened? Do you see this? We are breaking below guys, we are breaking below, and then you guys can exactly see a candle closing below the structure, and then we just suddenly go to the upside. And we don't get it, that what is the manipulation of the market maker. So guys, you guys have to be aware of this. So you guys have to be aware of this. While the other factor, if you look at the structure, is the 15-hour time frame. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, and we go to the RSI guys, and this manipulation, why is this manipulation happening? Let's focus on why it's happening, because at the time of when the manipulation is happening, we are definitely in the oversold region. So once you consider that we are already in the oversold region and we are not seeing any volume, right? Because there is no has such volume. If we focused on that, there is no has such volume, we are oversold already. There is no has such volume, so it's a very few chances that we can definitely consider that the price can definitely go to the downside. One factor. While the other factor for the retailers are, if we go a short position right here on these breakout trades, guys, don't put your SL right there. Just don't put your SL. They will definitely hit you. Like you are definitely trading with the low volume, so then don't trade like this. Once you go like this, once there is a volume right here, you guys can see this. Once there is a volume right here, then you guys can open, or you guys can just book your profits wherever you want. It's just as simple as you like. Once you just put your SL exactly at the level where you just enter your trade, don't lose your money, guys. Don't you lose your precious money on this shitty trades, guys. Once you go to this region, once you see a weakness that we are again going to the upside, then close your trade, whether it is even a single cent. Still it makes sense, guys. Instead of you are in loss, then you can definitely consider for a better opportunity. So guys, let's get into today's video. As I said, we are forming a kind of a bear structure. We are definitely forming a kind of a bear flag right now, and I'm definitely focusing on that. We can definitely consider, like you guys can see that we just formed this impulsive move to the upside and then retraced all move. So there is no such volume in the market for now. What exactly you can do is that simple, enter your long trade below this what you call it, below this 26 points, like it definitely in the 26.6k region, or 26, like 26,650 level, and then just move your target all the way up to 26.6k, 26.9k, and then just once you reach this level, guys, try to short this position and then take TP is exactly at this region. So this is a simple straight setup. And then again, once you reach your level, this is a very good risk to reward ratio trades. Do you see this? Once you go to this level on the retest, guys, again open a long position, and then again consider the same thing, that even this time we just move all the way, almost 2% move on Bitcoin. This is a simple strategy you guys should be trading on this weekends. I am not considering right here, and you guys can exactly say the time of recording this video. If you guys have taken this long, like within a 15-hour time frame, if you look at the overall structure, let's get into 1 hour time frame, and I will definitely show you something very interesting. Do you see this, guys? Everything is so aligned, guys. How you guys can miss this shit? We formed a hammer candle exactly at this below, like you guys can exactly see that this is a spot on reaction, guys. This is a spot on reaction. My levels are definitely respected very well. And do you see this, that we form exact hammer candle wick above the resistance, and then definitely we are considering to go to the downside. And now the time of recording this video, if you guys have entered this shitty trade, guys, this shitty trade, and then the TP is exactly at this level. So guys, let's get this TP, guys. Something is very interesting. You guys should have looked it after. I was looking at 15-hour time frame. There was no clarity because some like what you call it. Do you see these candles, guys? Do you see these candles? We go to the upside, then we retraced above the resistance level. So if we look at on a 1 hour time frame, this was very beautiful candle closing. Do you see this? This is something that you guys should be trading on right now, while the other perspective in the longer terms is what you call it. Let's get into this. As I said, we are definitely in the short position from this level, as I've calling this trade from almost like from half a month. I was calling this shitty trade. We are almost up about 6% on our trades, and then the target is almost 25 what you call it, $25,000. And then from $25,000, as we will be very what you call it, as we will be very oversold on that level, guys, I will definitely consider this 6% trade on the price of Bitcoin. So whatsoever it is, even a kind of, I may consider, like I will be definitely taking profit on my short position at $25,000, but some of my position will be definitely staying, and my target level is exactly as I said, guys. As I said, this is my target level, almost 23.5k, guys. So guys, you guys can exactly see this, that my target is 23.5k or 24k region. Nothing has changed from me. Game plan is very simple. The only thing for you guys have to be like to stick on the trades, guys, to stick with your plan. And as I have told you guys, this is one of the biggest things. So I will not, like, the rest is just this kind of scalps, guys. 1%, 2% scalps. Just close in your trades. Just make sure to just, like, do you see this? Like there is almost 4 or 5 scalp trades within this chart action. there is nothing like in a 15-hour time frame. If I focus on, you guys can exactly see this, that this is the resistance level for now, and this is the demand zone, or support zone. We haven't closed any body below this what you call it, demand zone, and we haven't closed anybody above this supply zone. So we are definitely staying in the range. I'm not calling for a big stuff, but whatsoever, I will definitely make you sure that once we go to the upside, guys, within this weekend, I will definitely try to short it, because we can definitely form a kind of a lower high right here. We are definitely in the downtrend, guys. Overall, we are definitely in the downtrend. If we look at the overall structure within a daily time frame, I will show you that what is exactly happening. You guys can exactly see this, that we this is what this is the one high, this is the higher low, and this is the higher low. So we are definitely in the downtrend, continuing to the downside. There is nothing changed very much. There is nothing more bullshit. That there is very simple strategy you guys should be following on the liquidity we should be targeting at. So this is simple trading strategy, and this is what you guys have to plan for. Let me know that what you guys think about the price of Bitcoin. So guys, as always, until next time, guys, take care of yourselves.